Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's good to see you again. Today we've got a really cool project I think you're going to like. We are going to take this old antique sewing machine and turn it into a side table. The sewing machine may or may not work. We really don't know. Frankly, we don't have any use for it. So we're going to remove the cabinet and the machine from the base and replace it with this reclaimed cargo flooring that we've got. This stuff is solid oak and maple. It's probably about 100 years old. As you can see, it's got this really pretty distress and patina from all the years of use. It's probably been back and forth across the United States several times. When it's finished, it's very pretty and it's sturdy and strong and can't really do any damage to it. So we're going to have a really good time doing that today, and I'm glad you're here for it. So let's get started. We're going to start out by removing all the screws that are holding the stand to the cabinet on top. They're all in really good shape and they're all flathead screws, so they'll come out real easy. After we get the first side removed, we're going to spin the machine around and remove the screw from the other side. So now that we've got all the screws removed, we can pull the metal stand off. So here's the base. You can see it's really in good shape still. It's got the foot pedal that operates the sewing machine. We remove the cord that spins the machine itself, but it's all in really good shape and it still works. And this is what we're going to use. So we're going to clean it up and we're going to go ahead and put a coat of paint on it and get it ready for the base. After I got the base all cleaned up, got all the dust and rust scraped off of it, I bring it over and spray it with really good rust inhibiting black spray paint. So here we have our big square of cargo flooring. You can see how beautiful it is with the old distress and wear it has on it. This piece of floor has probably traveled 2 million miles across our country. The pieces that we need are 19 inches wide by 25 inches deep, which is exactly half of the width of this piece of board. So I'm going to mark it and get ready to cut it. I've got everything measured. I used a track saw to cut the width of the board. And I'm going to spin the board around and cut the width. So the edge of this is pretty square and it looks really good, but I'm going to put a round over edge on the top edge of this piece, just to dress it up a little bit and make it look nice. Now I'm going to sand the tabletop first with 100 grit and then with 150, and we'll get it ready for stain. If you'll notice, I forgot to take the camera off the table, so it was bouncing around while I was sanding, so buckle up for a bumpy ride. So we're going to stain the tabletop with golden oak. This color really looks nice on this old distressed wood. We decided not to fill the bolt holes that would have secured the flooring to the train car. It just looks cooler with them not filled, gives it more character. This is beautiful, beautiful wood. wipe off all the excess. Now we'll let that dry and then we'll seal it and get ready for the finish. So we've sprayed the sanding sealer on the tabletop, and now we're going to spray the matte finish lacquer. Now we're going to lacquer the table base we painted earlier to seal the color in and to prevent any more rust. So here we are, here's our finished table all put back together with all the finish on it. You can see it turned out really nice. Beautiful color, the base looks great. Just want to thank you all very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.